Hi, this is Regitze from Greatness Advertising. Today I want to talk about which buying type you should choose. I'm gonna go here to my ad account and you click on the green button here, create a new campaign. Let's just go with sales campaign, click continue. And now you can set up your campaign, and then you just go down here to campaign details, and here it's the default is auction, but you can change it from auction to reach and frequency. And what it is auction is where you're basically bidding on the views from people on Facebook. So you're competing with all the other advertisers. So the price will vary depending on how many other advertisers or competitors, how many people who are fighting to get in front of the same group of people. So those are your competitors usually. And the price then varies, especially around Christmas, where there's a lot more advertisers. The price will go up. So that's how it goes up and down. It's supply and demand. And the other one, reach and frequency. There you can actually say to Facebook, I want to pay this much cost to reach a certain amount of people, a cost per million CPM. But the thing is, if you put it too low, you're not going to reach anybody. But if you put it higher, then you're also going to usually get a lower quality of people. By lower quality of people, I mean people who are never buying on Facebook. You know, there's some people who just never buy on Facebook. It's just not something that they do. Then there's the most people, they buy sometimes. And then there's those people who buy a lot on Facebook. And they are more valuable for Facebook, and therefore they cost more to reach. There used to be a thing called engagement shoppers, shoppers that you could choose. I think they took it away now. That you could actually target those people who are engaged shoppers who buy a lot on Facebook. But anyway, that's something different. Yeah, that is the difference between reach and frequency and auction. You will usually reach a lot more people with reach and frequency for a lower price, but you reach a lot of people who are just never buying on Facebook, and therefore your cost per purchase will go up. So it usually pays off to pay more and use the auction bidding type. Almost always. You can test it, of course, because you have a lower cost per purchase or cost per lead or whatever it is that you're going after. And that's the most important thing, right? So yeah, I hope it helps. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me. There's a link in the description. And yeah, please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Also link in the description. Take care. Bye.